Hello, welcome back again. In this video, we are going to learn about a new question type in the reading. So let's get started. As we all know, the duration of the reading test is 54 to 72 minutes, in which we will be answering 3 to 4 passages. Each passage will have 10 questions, and this complete section is scored in the range of 0 to 30. 0 being the least and 30 being the highest here. And the question types in the reading test are divided into two types. One is basic information and inferencing, the other one is reading to learn. So, and today we are going to learn about insert the text question type. In this insert the text question type, you will be given a sentence and this question will expect you to logically fit the sentence in the given paragraph. 4 options will be given to you which are seen as squares, and you need to identify this additional sentence which is given to you can fit into which particular square so that it will not have any impact on the logical flow of the passage. A sample paragraph is given to us here. So you can see the question and the additional sentence which need to be inserted in the below given paragraph. And we have 4 options given as A, B, C and D, which are denoted with squares. And now we need to identify in which square this particular sentence can be inserted. And as we have discussed prior, the sentence when inserted should not have any impact on the logical flow of information in this particular paragraph. And the answer shown here is the best place to fit the sentence according to the information provided and the logical sequence of the information. Along with this, now we will be understanding about table completion question type. So coming to the table completion, here this question will expect you to complete the table by choosing the right option choices according to the rows and columns provided there. There will be always more number of options given to us than the required options. And this question will be of score value 3 to 4 points. So, if the question has 5 correct options, then it is 3 points worth. And if the question has 7 options to be filled correctly, then it is 4 points worth. You will get only 1 point if your score is 3 out of 5 or 4 out of 7. To get 2 points, you need to answer 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 7. And to get 3 points, you need to answer 5 out of 5 or 6 out of 7 correctly. In case of 7 options, we need to answer 7 out of 7 correctly. This question tests the ability of the test takers to organize the main ideas of the reading passage and the supporting or important information in the passage. It also tests our ability to understand the cause and effect relationships and compare and contrast relationship of the information provided in the passage. So let us look at the example. Now here we have a passage displayed to you on the screen. We need to read this passage, and here is the question asked. We need to drag and drop the option choices according to the question asked. Please note that not all the choices will be used. Yes. Now, according to the information provided, after reading the passage, the correct order given here is highlighted in yellow color. And this is how we need to complete this table completion practice. So now, please get started with your further practices in the LMS. Good luck. Thank you.